Hey guys, Gary here again with you from Signature Laser Designs, and for all the new folks here, welcome to the channel. This afternoon I wanted to take a few minutes and show you one of our more popular anniversary gifts. This is a rooster tail fishing lure that we personalize with the number of years that you've been together or been married. They're great for husbands and they're also good for boyfriends, but as you can see here, this 14 years, we can change that to any number of years that you've been together, like 50 years and I'm still hooked, or 25 years, or what have you. When you're looking at the listing here, there's two different choices. You can choose a different font style. So if you don't like this Lucidia calligraphy, you can pick Arial or Times New Roman or wherever you like. If the font that you want is not there, just simply send us a message and ask us. We have most all the different style fonts, the ones that are in Word, normal word processing anyway. The second thing you can do, you can choose this with a heart or without a heart. So some people like it, some people don't. The last thing I'd say is if you don't like this at all, you can send us a message whenever you check out, put it in the note box and just say, hey, I don't like that, I want something different. For example, you can do something like this. All these years and I'm still hooked, love your best catch ever. Some people like that sort of thing. They don't like putting the number of years on there. It's highly personalized, so basically it's whatever you want to do. We can do that for you. We are constantly adding new things to the catalog, so keep checking back with us and I'll keep trying to put out new ideas for you. But if you're in the market for an anniversary gift, this is a really great one because this is actually something that he can use. If he likes to fish, he can go out there and go bass fishing or trout fishing. They are good for game fish. They are a little bit larger. It's a larger lure. It's not a really small one. So you can see here, it's pretty good size. So it's a 1/2 ounce, which is like I said, really good for those game fish, bass and trout mainly. I've caught both bass and trout off of this particular lure. So give him something he can use, and if he catches a great big fish with it, he's even going to like it even more. So thank you for checking in with us, and subscribe down below, and we'll keep bringing the good gift ideas to you just as fast as we can think them up. And if you have a recommendation or if you have something that you would like us to work on for you, we do a lot of custom work, a lot of design work. We cut a lot of wood and plywood and things like that for craft projects. So check in with us. We're available on most social media platforms. Just go to Google and look up Signature Laser Designs and we'll pop right up. So thank you for your time this afternoon, and we will see you later.